So hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your patio if you didn't do it right and you did it yourself. It looks not nice like this. You see there's two layers here because there's a second pour, so it doesn't look really nice. So one way to fix this is I bought these tiles, plastic deck tiles that you can put on your patio, but make sure it's leveled it right before you put it. So I bought so one box is 9, can cover 9 square feet. So measure and then multiply the length so you know how much you need of these. These were $19.99 per box like this, kind of expensive, but that's one way to fix it. And let me show you another one. So right here, so as you can see, the finish is not really nice because we did it ourselves. And so this was like a first pour and then second pour. You can see the finish, surface finish is not smooth and nice like you see on the walkway, on the sidewalk. And so these are like plastic you can use to clip it together. So like this, that we clip together with so that's the nail part of it. That's the clip that goes into this socket, so you can make it straight like this as a pattern, or you can also switch it this way, alternate it, the pattern to look like this. And I think this looks better than having just straight lines, but it's your preference. So you can also, you know, do whichever way you like, and make sure the surface is clean, and so wipe out any dust before you put it in. And this is supposed to be weather resistant and also for outdoor. So that's one way to do this. And if the side goes extra like this, you might want to cut it. And if you come it this way, you end this way and you have to cut like this. So you might want to cut with a saw, and so basically measure everything. And that's one way to make it cover the surface, to hide the, you know, the bad finish on top of the concrete if you have any, or in the future. So over there we're gonna put, and here we're gonna put, and we're gonna put dirt all around. So yeah, there's another way to fix this, is to, you know, if you can pour a little bit more, but then that won't last long. It's gonna be it's called like a resurface. It might last probably a couple months, and you have to redo it again. And over there, as you can see, it was you know, not on the same level, because the second pour here, as you can see right here, there's a bump right here, slope down, and you can use a grinder to grind it to make sure it's a little bit flatter. You can rent it at Home Depot for 160 something a day. But you can also, what I found is you can put gravel here to smooth out the height from here to here. So once you put that tile on, it's gonna be not so abrupt, and be able to, like, people to walk on it. And so we bought 44 of these. That's gonna cover 430 something square feet, and and hopefully it helps you guys. You can find different color. This is a gray. You can see you can have a dark gray, which kind of like black, but it doesn't have good reviews, because once you have the dirt from your foot, like from your shoes walking on it, if you have a dark color like black as a tile, it's gonna show up and it doesn't look good, versus the gray one. It doesn't show up as much, so I prefer the gray one, and it looks better, I think, in the long run, if you have dirt, since it's outdoor. And we're gonna put all of this there, and we'll show you the finish in a little bit. See you guys after probably 2 hours. We finished putting the deck tiles on this patio. It's 10 feet by 10 feet by probably 15, yeah, long. As you can see, it's pretty nice, really smooth. It doesn't look like plastic at first from far away. So if you put a little bit of dirt on it for the other color, it looks, see, you can really notice the dirt on it. So it's a nice color. Don't go with the black, because it's everything you're gonna see dirt on it. And then for the other patio, I'm missing just 9 tiles here, but everything is great looking all around. Because at first we had this concrete patio done, it was like kind of bumpy, added sand a little bit, so you can see that one is kind of bumpy, but it covers all the imperfections on the concrete patio underneath it. And this is tilted, so the water will drain that way. There's a drain over there, and we're ready to remove the sidings here, the framing. I'm gonna add swale all over here, and then grass. So yeah, so that patio and this patio looking nice. A little bit pricey, $19.99 for 9 square feet, a little bit under 9 square feet, but that's the only way to get to do it yourself, and cheap to cover the imperfections. If you guys like it, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.